Yeah, they're not going to be able to be out that long.
Yeah.
Zeke. Yes, as early as it is, and it's already blistering hot out here. These guys can't last. What are you scratching at? You're not supposed to be scratching anymore. Are you kidding me? You're on $500 worth of new drugs. Quick. Good boy. Well, evidence that he does scratch when he's outside, so we have that covered. Murphy, come here, buddy. Good boy. Good boy, huh, sweetheart? Yeah, you're a good dog. Awesome. Yeah, Vi doesn't like being hugged around the neck.
Yeah.
Baby puppy. Woohoo! Just a baby. Zeke out. Zeke out. Thank you. Zeke here. Zeke here. Come here. Good boy. Sit. No, here. Come here. Sit. Good pup. Good boy. Let me see them eyeballs. Good guy. I know it, huh? Good pup. Okay. Come on, guys. Get out of there. No. Out. Come on. Zeke, leave it. Leave it. Good pup. Sherman, get out of there. Thank you. It's funny how Sherman likes his abuser the best.
He likes Zeke the best, yeah.
Yeah.
Get out of there. Out.
Sherman.
Get up.
Sherman.
There we go. Good boy.
Awesome.
Thank you, Sherman.
Why don't you go get another container? Just bring one of those white containers, fill it, and bring it. Bye. Leave
Off.
it. Huh?
He's talking to Sherman.
Murphy, come here, bud. No, Sherman. Good boy. Look at you, huh? Oh. Vi, leave it. Thank you. We'll spray you with your good stuff. So Zeke's a little bit of a resource guarder, it would seem.
Mm-hmm.
Zeke, here. Good boy. No, here. Sit. Good pup. All right. Okay. Good boy, Zeke. Look out there, Murphy. Murphy Murphy. Murphy Murphy. Hi, Zeke. Hi, buddy. I know, you're getting hot already. Hi, Shermie. Leave it. Thank you. Sherman, get out of there. Sherman, get out of there, you moose. I want you to go play with the other water. What's up, Sly? Woohoo! Hey, you reap what you sow, little buddy. Don't come crying to me when they sit on you. Hey now, hey. No rough play. Good boy, Sherm. Sherman. His eye's already tanked. Murphy, you're not supposed to walk it and knock it over. Murphy, come here. Good boy. All right, buddy. Nice job. Good pop. Okay. One. Well, I see where Sherman's loyalties lie. Are you done, Spy? He needs to go in.
Okay.
Sherman, get out of there. He's big.